Hello, in this session, we are going to learn about the basics of Databricks from BDC. If you want to log in into Databricks, you need to go into the system landscape, and by clicking on this link, you can access Databricks. So this is Databricks homepage, and once you are into Databricks homepage, here you can see many options. I will going to explain these options. By clicking on new, you can create a new notebook, new query, you can create alert, and you can create models. This is your workspace where you can see your whatever like notebooks or query files you can see in your workspace. Here catalog, in your catalog you can see your databases, your schema, your tables. Also you can see what data shared received from the BDC into Databricks that you can see from here. If you want to explore jobs and pipelines, you can explore the jobs and pipelines from here. You can also create a new jobs and new pipelines from here. This is SQL editor. So if you want to create some SQL query, you can create from here. New query. Let me show you cash flow. This is cash flow is having two tables. Let me get see cash flow. You can see, and by clicking on, you can run all statement, or you can run statement with the limit. Let me execute this one, start and attach. Okay, so before that we need to select cluster. Okay, I'm selecting serverless cluster. I'm executing my query. Here you can see the progress, it's executing. Okay, now here you can see the data preview, columns and all information about the data. Also you can view the performance of your query from here, the duration for which, how many rows it has read. This basic information you can see the from performance. If you're having saved queries, you can view these queries from here, and you can see your SQL warehouses from here, and also you can create a new SQL warehouse from this. As of now we can see the serverless startup warehouse, which is the default warehouse provided by SAP into Databricks. Now this one is a AIML section, and in this section you can, by clicking on serving, you can see which models are already models or endpoints are already available into Databricks. So you can see Databricks GPT-5, GPT-5.1, GPT-5 mini, Cloud A. These are the servings available into the Databricks. Sorry, you can see the register models by clicking on. You can see the features from here. Playground. From here you can select the endpoint model, which model you want to use. Let's select Cloud A and use these endpoints. Add your own tool. We can add basic like a AI related playground we can create here. And if you want to start adding any prompt here, you can specify that prompt from here. Now let me show you how we can create a notebook. Click on notebook. In this notebook, once you are into notebooks, you can select Python, SQL, Scala and R. Let me select SQL, and let me get company code, data product, company code, company oh sorry, company code cluster. Yeah, this one. Select start from this cluster. This is one query. If you want to add another query into this same notebook, you can, by clicking on this code option, you can add. Same way you can add multiple SQL queries. Why it's not adding? Okay, cancel. Second query I'm trying to add. Why it's not getting added? Okay, this, oh sorry, I'm not selecting as a SQL option. Let me SQL add. Okay, now second query is also added. In third query, if you want to add any Python or any other script, that is also possible. And once you are having these multiple codes, you can execute all codes, or you go by selecting specific code, you can also execute this specific cell. This is possible in notebook, and you can save your notebook by clicking uh, Control S on your system. That's all about the basic of Databricks. Thank you.